Hey there fellow singers, Collena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today I want to share something super important for all of us who rely on our voices, vocal massage. Have you ever wondered just how crucial it is for maintaining and improving your vocal health? Well, let's jump straight into it and talk about it. Now, a vocal massage is like magic for your voice, my friends. It focuses on those muscles and structures that make sound happen. Think larynx, throat and neck. By using different techniques, vocal massage can do wonders for your voice. So why is it such a big deal? Well, let me break it down for you. First of all, vocal massage helps to relieve muscle tension. We all know that muscle tension can wreak havoc in our voice, and this can lead to strain, discomfort and vocal fatigue. But fear not, vocal massage saves the day by applying gentle pressure and techniques that relax those muscles. You can say goodbye to tension and hello to a more happier and relaxed voice. Next up, let's talk about vocal flexibility. So if you're a singer, actor or public speaker, having a wide vocal range is crucial. Vocal massage comes to the rescue by improving flexibility and range of motion in the vocal cords. By making your vocal cords suppler and reducing any restrictions, vocal massage helps you to achieve a more versatile and expressive voice. How awesome is that? Now, picture this. You've been using your voice a lot and it starts to feel tired and strained. That's where vocal massage steps in. Yet again, it increases blood flow to your vocal cords and the surrounding tissues, helping your voice to recover faster from vocal fatigue. It's like a rejuvenating spa treatment for your vocal cords. Talk about pampering your voice. We really need to do this vocal massaging, I'm telling you. But hold on, there is more. Vocal massage also works wonders for your voice's resonance and clarity by promoting proper alignment and coordination of your vocal structures, and it optimizes how your voice sounds. The result is a much clearer and more vibrant voice that grabs the attention and makes you stand out. Last but not least, prevention is key. Just like athletes get massages to prevent muscle injuries, we voice professionals, we need to show some love to our voices. Vocal massage not only promotes good vocal hygiene, but it also helps us to identify and address potential vocal issues earlier on. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your voice, protecting you from harm. For regular vocal massages, you need to see a physiotherapist who specializes in voice, and I know one of the best physios here in London town. I will put her details below. You need to hit her up and book your vocal massage today. So my fellow singers, take care of your most valuable tool, your voice. Incorporating vocal massage into your routine can make a world of difference in maintaining and enhancing your vocal health. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.